Hi friends, today I am going to teach how to track iOS interview questions for iOS. So let's start. So what is meant by iOS? Means means iOS is a iPhone operating system. It runs for the iPhone applications, iPhone apps. So it is a software for iPhones. So it is supported like devices like iPhone, iPad, iPod touches devices and so on. So now latest like iWatch, iTV, Mac TV, sorry, iTV and Mac OS also. It was manufactured by the Apple company. So I am saying that what is iOS mean? iPhone operating system. So it runs for the iPhone applications, iPhone applications. It will be installed like iPhone, iPad, iPod, touches devices like watch, iWatch is there, like and TV. Also for develop supported for the iOS. It manufactured by Apple company. So who is the present CEO of Apple was Tim Cook, and first CEO was Steve Jobs for the CEO for Apple in the 2007 year 7. So next question, what is next step? So next step was a company. So it was started by the Steve Jobs. So where the it was supported by the Macintosh, means Mac operating system. So it was developed by Steve Jobs. So later it was merged to the Apple company. So that. So what are the products for Apple support? What are the products of Apple? So like iPhones, iPad, iPod touches, iMac Mini and Mac servers and iPods, wireless keyboards also is there, mouses also available for that, and watches. I will give again watches and Mac TV. TV is also available now. So, what are the basic languages for Objective-C? I mean, Objective-C was developed by the Apple company. I mean, like Steve Jobs. So they have based on the and they taken by the. It's basic for the Objective-C languages. C language and small talks based on they developed by the Objective-C. Sorry, again I will say what are the basic languages for the Objective-C means C language and small talks as based. I mean they implemented those two languages based on the Objective-C. Who are the developed by the Objective-C language? Bradcock and Tom Lowe in 1980 they developed the Objective-C language. What is the present iOS version is? The present iOS version is 15. So in this iOS 15 they implement the feature. What are the features for the iOS means like the iOS features are like redesign the notification. They have previously they have designed like just notification only. After there is a in the iOS 15 they implemented the user friendly attraction like when we click on the button and the notification it will be show that our page. So I mean the focusing on the reducing distraction. Focus means it is a face timing of calling purpose. They implemented they reduced like distractions like some of the signals in the face calling like and a spectacle audio and spare pairs for the face timing calls. For the face call they showing like a round circle for our face like detection. And they implemented the text recognition in images also. In the text for suppose of like our phone will display the texts also, no, it will be reduce the like a small medium and text to large display for the recognition have. So same as the images also, and ID codes in the wallet app and added the privacy features also somehow. And they implemented the so many advantages like a redesign for the Safari maps, weather and notes app also in the design. So what is iOS architecture means? Say iPhone operating system. The iPhone operating system has been designed by the four layers like Cocoa Touch and media layer, core services and core layer, core service layers and core OS layers and the remaining all. So I will teach about all the Cocoa Touch and media layer, core services and core OS layers. Means according to the Cocoa Touch, they design like storyboards, documents, generics, multitasking and notifications and UI kit frameworks and sorry for the interrupt. Media layers like graphic technologies and audio video technologies and AirPlay also. For the core services means like iCloud, iMatch, app purchase, SQLite, core data, core located. So core OS means like Bluetooth and XMobile. So what is architecture means? Architecture. The architecture is a layered. It was contains some internal layers between the application and the hardware for hardware. So they do not communicate with each other. So it will be communicated like Cocoa Touch, Cocoa Media layer and so on. I will teach what is Cocoa Touch. The Cocoa Touch is the Cocoa Touch is the application development environment for building the software programming to run on the OS for the iPhone, iPad, and iWatches and so on, and Watch OS also. So it's like I mean in the Cocoa Touch is the one of the layer in the four layered in the architecture of iOS. It contains a set of frameworks which deals like user appearance like a UI design purpose. So it available frameworks like UI kit, map kit, event kit, address book, and so many are there. Sorry. So what is media layer means? In the media layer, what is media layer? In the core media layer is one of the architecture for the iOS. It contains the frameworks which deals like multimedia, graphics, and related functionalities. So multimedia like audio, video call, and music player, and so on. Audio player and video players. For suppose graphic designing like when we observe that like flow chart and media graph sheet and we will saw that like census market also it shows the graphic design purpose. So it's available like core animation like core graphics and a foundation. Core animation like when the census market is up and down flexible then no, so it will so by using the core animation. And the core graphics means it's show the flow chart of graph sheet. And AV foundation is like foundation for the frameworks like UI kit, media, and so on. So what are the core services like means? Core services is one of the layer for four layer of architecture of iOS. It contains a set of frameworks like which deals like data management and network related. For the data management like core data, CF network, and cloud message etc. In the iOS like core data and SQLite are the for the internal to store the data in the Apple. So next session we will go to the in-depth concept like hoops concept, hoops inheritance, parallelism, data encapsulation, and related. And after then I will teach again next what are the questions will be asked in the application development like UI table view questions and collection view sales, remaining everything. So thanks for giving lot of time. Please subscribe to my channel and like comment any